Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another unboxing. This is going to be for the 2025 Surron lightbee. Yesterday we unboxed the 2025 Ultra Bee. Today will be the 2025 lightbee. As you can see in the background, there's the Ultra Bee. We built it. Came out really nice. Everything works. Super cool bike. I already rode it down the street. Probably going to take it riding tomorrow, but now we're going to unbox the lightbee. We already took the black plastic off and the straps, and the box looks like it's in really good condition. The exceptions of some little dents on the corners, but that's normal. So we're gonna unbox it right now. Yeah, cardboard there.
No wonder it's still kind of sturdy. This unboxing is a lot less.
Yeah, less stuff. So usually they give you guys this so you could stand the bike up and build it, but I actually have a dirt bike stand, so we're gonna use that. A metal stand. These are the keys and the little manual thing. We're going to leave these attached. This over here. This on for now. That's the fender. Cut all these other little things off. That's the front fender, yep. So this is probably the charger. Let's see. They should have gave me a Surron. So they should have gave me a factory OEM Surron charger. US charger for the lightbee. Did get a factory OEM US charger. No, it's different small. So this came with the OEM charger. I think it's OEM charger. Or not, maybe not. It's not an OEM charger. This is a China charger, but it's a US charger. So they did not give me an OEM charger, which I don't care because I got the bike for $27.90 anyway, so that's fine. As long as it works and charges the bike, I could care less. And as you guys could see, let me bring in closer so you could hear me too, because I don't have a mic. I went with the sage green. And this is a 2025. I think a couple people private messaged me and they told me that they ordered theirs as well through the same dealer I went through. I don't get anything from there, so just got a good price and decent shipping time. So we're gonna probably put it together right now. This is all the packaging. Nothing was damaged. There's a little crease right here, but the strap was here. So I'll post pictures and I'll do another video where they're both finished being built. Oh yeah, they also sent me they were pretty cool. They sent me some free t-shirts. Guess that's the name of the company. See any bike, I guess. Sent me an orange one and they sent me a black one. Pretty cool. So anyways, just want to do a quick unboxing. I'll post more videos later. Comment on the bottom if you want the link. Actually, the link, yeah, I'll post a link in this one too. If it's not and I forget, just remind me. And I'll get you guys a link to where I got mine from. So I got this one for $27.90, I believe it was, and I got the Ultra B for $43.95, I think it was. They gave me a better deal on the lightbee because I bought them both at the same time, and the Ultra B, I think they knocked off a few bucks off that too. So I'll post videos when we start riding these things, or I might post a video when we finish building this one and show off both bikes. And just ask questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one.